So we've got a couple of oil filters, adjustable camber brackets for the rear, the right panels this time, and one side of that, which looks like it's been bent. I'm not sure it's supposed to be that shape. And you've got some knuckle joints, spanner for adjusting the rear brakes, and a bypass hose, which I got while I was there. And that's what 100 quid gets you at Mini Spares. Doesn't seem like an awful lot. Nothing else in here. So if you're not sure where this panel goes, it fits just up in here somehow, so that it matches with that curve there. And the ones that I had, which I thought were the same, with this nice curve here, actually are for in this corner of the boot. They go in like this in the boot. So if anyone needs a pair of these, Ben maybe, I know you need a lot of panels, let me know and I'll send them out to you. So yeah, that fits in there, something like that. It's like it's come down a bit more, but I need to cut this out anyway, so we'll have to pull this apart a bit more, grind some of this down, fit this in, fit this bit here, fit this bit here, and then that will be done, and we can move on to actually replacing this part. Or should I do that first? I'm not sure.
A few moments later.
So I may have got a little bit overzealous with the grinding disc there. Found a bit more rust, so I chopped it out. This is what I've got left. Yeah. So I've had to cut out this big chunk of sill, and I've got a bit of sill repair there. So that can go up in there. And then we've got this to go here. Is that bent? I think I might have bent that. So that to go there. And so these repairs are a bit strange because they're bent, I think, just to weld in on top. So I'm going to have to change that return angle to go the other way. Yeah, bit of a hole there, and a bit of a pile of rusty metal here. I might end the episode there, and we'll see what we're going to do for next time. Okay, thanks for watching. Just picked up this box off eBay. The guy was not too far from me, and I was the only bidder. Paid 15 quid. Got all this. Let's have a look at what we got. I'll put it all out and then we'll come back. Right, so this is what I've ended up with. Starter motor. I'm quite pleased about that. I would have paid that, just 15 quid just for that anyway. A wok, which I needed for the new engine. Timing cover, well, belt cover, duplex chain and gears, some wiper blades, a bit of gearbox. Is that primary gear, first gear? I'm not sure. Not sure what half this stuff is. Push rods, which is awesome. Nice powder coated yellow bracket and cover. Some shocks, which I think are past it really. Yeah. Don't know how he did that. Fuse box, all sorts of bolts and random bits that I don't know if I need or not, but yeah, can't really complain in there. I know there's like a pressure something or other. Oh, and start a solenoid. Not bad for 15 quid. So all that was from a guy called Nick on eBay. He does like some rallying stuff. He showed me a couple of his cars, which was pretty awesome. So all that stuff I got from a guy called Nick on eBay, and he does mini rally. I can't remember what it was called. He's got a really nice Mark 1 Cooper, all kind of rally style with the extra gauges and switches on the dash and everything. So it was pretty cool. And he's got another car a bit later, but made to look like an earlier rally style. He's got some more stuff to sort through, and hopefully he puts something else good up for sale, and we'll go have a look, and hopefully I'll bring the camera this time. I felt a bit felt like I couldn't really get the camera out as I didn't really know the guy, but yeah, nice guy, and thanks for all the stuff.